Good morning everyone, Bridget here. Welcome to my channel of Anglo-Indian recipes. Today another very simple and easy recipe. I'm going to teach you how to make a very quick vegetable stew. Okay, this could be had with bread or with rice or with your hoppers or anything else, dinner rolls, whatever you like to have it with. So it's a very simple recipe. You could save it for Lent when we don't eat meat on Fridays or for other days as well. So come, let's get started. So first of all, you'd need around a kilo of or 3/4 kilo of different vegetables of your choice. What I've done is I've taken carrots, beans, knolkhol, and potatoes. So the potatoes are cut into halves. They're not very big potatoes. Then 2 medium-sized onions sliced and 2 green chillies slit. 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. 2 tomatoes chopped very fine. Some roughly chopped milk. Some peppercorns, around like 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, a few cloves, and like 2 pieces of cinnamon broken into bits. And this is not a brown stew, we're going to make a coconut stew, so coconut milk. Now coconut milk we'll add at the end. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, you start by heating 2 tablespoons of oil, either in a pot or a pan or a pressure cooker, whichever is convenient for you. Then you add in your whole peppercorns, cinnamon and cloves. So just fry this for a little, because once it gets hot, it starts giving out the flavor. Okay, now we add in our onion and green chilli. So we are going to fry this well. Now that the onions have fried really well, I'm going to add in a ginger garlic paste. Okay. Once the ginger and garlic paste is fried well, we can add in our chopped tomatoes. And then you add in your mint. So fry this well. So I'm adding just like a pinch of turmeric. And some salt to taste. Okay, now we add in a vegetable. And now we are adding sufficient water to cook these vegetables. So you could just cover and let it simmer till the vegetables are cooked, or you could pressure cook for just one whistle and then switch off. You can see that the vegetables are boiled well now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in a coconut milk. And give it a stir. So let it come to a bubble and then we'll switch off. So beautiful veg stew is ready. So just turn off the heat. And there you go. Our vegetable stew is ready. You could enjoy this with, as I said, rice, or with bread, dinner rolls, your dosas or hoppers, or just about anything, or just, just this one comforting bowl, which is a meal in itself. And if you like, you could add some chicken in it as well, following the same recipe. But today this is a typical veg stew with mixed vegetables. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked this video as much as I did bringing it to you. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do share and like this video with your friends. Also press the notification button, the bell icon, where you'll get notified whenever I post a new video.